Hey Cam Fam, welcome back and welcome to our channel if you're new here. Today we have our Toddler Boy hairstyle video number 41. So today we are doing a style that can be done by almost anyone. I know you guys have been saying sometimes that you can't do like cornrows or like braid on the scalp. So this is a style that can be done with just regular plaits, or it can be done with twists, whatever you're more comfortable with. So this is a pretty easy style that definitely works up super quick, and it turned out awesome, and I hope you guys like it. Alrighty, so after we section off the back, I'm going to add some water to that. If you are doing this on wash day, you won't need to add the water, but I'm adding water and I'm finger detangling first before I put any tool in his hair. That just helps keep the hair from getting caught and snatching on anything while we're trying to detangle. So I'm parting the back into two, and I'm going to be doing kind of like a zigzag, but more of a equal lesser than sign. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to put the shine and gem on it. Make sure that whenever you add the shine and gem, you're going back over with your comb to part again, just to make sure that our lines are crispy. We love a crispy line. Keeps the hair looking fresh and keeps it cute on the original day that it's done. Oh, he gave me a hug. All right, so more shine and gem, more parting, just more freshening up our lines. So once I'm done that, I'm going to comb through. Very important, especially with the little ones who have that curly hair like Cam. We want to make sure we are getting all the kinks out. It helps to keep that braid elongated and to keep the style fresher. So I put the shine and gem on the part. I then brushed it. I'm now adding in this curling butter, well, not curling buttercream, or hydrating buttercream. I absolutely love this, guys. I'm still raving over this product. Like, oh, look at it. Like, look at the little definition it's giving. Whew. All right, so now I'm adding in our elastics. Put that in as tight as possible for your child. Do not overdo it. Do not have the sides pulling, none of that. And then we're just going to braid down. Again, brush it, comb it, brush it, comb it. Do it as you're going, as you start. I did do overhand braids. That way it's just a little bit looser. I find that it curls up less. Do keep in mind, I redid all of these braids, well, most of them, the following day after he woke up, after the hair had time dry. It takes literally like 5 minutes. It's not even that long because we've already done most of the job, but that just helps to keep the length showing instead of the hair curling up and shrinking. So I'm making my way all the way down. I'm making sure that the ends got a little curly action to it. Add your product if you need to again. Add your oils. Make sure that the ends are sealed. We want to make sure that this is still a protective style. I did go back and add elastics afterwards, but I just didn't in the beginning. I thought I would get away with it, but I was like, nope, don't like how it looks. The brush that you guys see me using, honestly, like the best brush ever. I don't think I'm ever gonna give it up, or I really don't want to, until I find like an adult brush that is so soft. Like no matter what I do, it's not gonna hurt him, and it still gets the hair to like catch up properly. So that is my number one go-to brush. I will link it in the description box like I usually do, just in case you guys want to get your hands on one of them too. So every time I watch back when I do his hair, I see that his hair is growing little by little. I just attribute that to the fact that he's growing and he's getting older. I don't think I do much that's extra special aside from keeping the hair moisturized, keeping the ends sealed, protective styling. So those are my go-to tips, guys, just in case you guys are wondering still. So now that we are sectioning again, we have gone and we've done another part through his hair. We're going to do 3 parts in total. Now I did a straight line just to get an idea of where I'm doing my part, but now I'm going back and I'm doing this one as a zigzag. So the other one was more of a equal than lesser than sign, but this is definitely a zigzag. Doesn't have to be too big, doesn't have to be too defined, but then we're gonna go back with our shine and gem, and we're gonna just make sure that we do freshen up those parts. Alrighty, we're halfway there. Looking good, looking good. So this is what my part through the middle looked like. Now we're going to break this section up into 3 pieces in total. We're going to go back now with the equal than, lesser than type of part. Just make them into 3 somewhat equal pieces. And then you're going to section them off. I started with the one in the middle just to make it easier, but like you can see, I just did some random abstract zigzags just to make everything come together. So I've spritzed it with water, I've added my hydrating buttercream, I've added my shine and jam, I have combed, brushed, and now I'm adding in my elastic. So once we do that, we make sure it's secure. Like, oh, look at those curls. I'm telling you, the curls come from the hydrating buttercream. It's honestly the best thing. I'm not gonna stop talking about it. And I don't know why I'm a singer. I keep trying to sing these notes, guys. Don't mind me. I think I'm just in an extra good mood tonight. All right, so I'm braiding that again, overhand, braiding it all the way down, and then I'm adding the elastic at the end. I'm just gonna do that for the other 2. Like I said, guys, this style works up so quick, so easy, and it actually lasts. I saw that I got a good amount of longevity from this style. If your kiddo is like mine and loves to just, ooh, curl break. Sorry, if your kiddo is like mine and just likes to rub their head on everything and anything, you're gonna have to refresh the front. It's a little bit easier with little girls because, you know, you just put a little edge control on and you just swoop it down. Can't really do that to boys. So you just put the edge control, put the hair back, like put the shine and jam, brush it back, put the do-rag or the bonnet, whatever you use on it, let it lay flat, and then it'll look good again. So here I'm showing you what it would look like if you did them with twists. Look at those juicy, juicy twists. Super easy, super quick. I showed you how I just did my hands to go over. I turned my hand as I went over. That makes the twist look like that. But I didn't want to do twists this time around. I wanted to do braids. So I took that out and I am now rebraiding once again. Five down, 2 to go. This took no time at all. Love it. All right, so let's get into the front. The 2 in the front, I'm going to, oh, high five. I'm going to just part it in a zigzag. It is going to be like an actual zigzag. I think I'm doing 3 lines. Yeah, 3 lines. Little dramatic action. So part that into 2, separated with a zigzag, and do your shine and jam, put it in again, freshen up those lines, stay hydrated. See, Cam always has his bottle. That is his Say My Name bottle. It is available on my site. I will link it for you guys if you want to get one for your kitties. He absolutely loves it. And there's no mess, because listen, you know how kids love to make a mess with their stuff. This bottle is perfect and they won't lose it. All right, so I've added my hydrating buttercream, I've added my shine and jam, I've brushed, I've combed, I've brushed, I've combed, and now I am adding in the elastic momentarily, and I want to show you guys what his curls are looking like in a second. All right, so we have 3 different types of curls and waves here. His hair is not heat damaged. I don't use heat, you guys know that. This is just literally how his hair started to grow. We have the tighter curls towards the front perimeter of the hair. Then we have the looser curls, and then we have the waves more into the middle. It's a lot. It makes it a little hard, like I said, for wash and goes. It makes it a little hard to get definition all around, but honestly, I love his hair and I wouldn't change it. And I just hope that as time goes, his curl pattern, like, gets to know itself and it decides to be one specific pattern, because when he gets older he's gonna have to be taking care of his own hair, or his partner will, so that'll make it a little easier. And voila, look at this style. I'm so happy that I was able to get this little walkthrough with the hairstyle, because you guys can see like the length that we have going on right now. It did curl up, you know, it always happens, but this is what we're working with. Look how cute this style is. Super easy, super quick. We had 7 in total. The abstract look of it is just perfect. You can add beads to the end if you guys like, whatever, gold clips, whatever makes your heart jump. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to hit us up in the comments. Also hit us up on our Instagram at keepingupwithkham. Follow, like, share with your friends and family, and come back for the next one. Bye.